Hi everyone, this is Marcia. Welcome back to my channel and to this week's project. This is a pen that I found on my other channel just this past Wednesday. It was in a jewelry jar. And I will leave a link, well, the channel link is already there, but I'll leave a link to the video as well in case you want to see it. And I thought with Halloween just about a week away, a week and a day, this would be appropriate to redo. I've already tried to use a heat gun, actually a hair dryer on high. I don't want to use a heat gun, I'm afraid it might be too hot, but I might have to resort to that. But anyway, I did get this off by using the heat gun. The hair dryer, excuse me. So it was like this. And this broke off, but as you can see, there is still some stuff we either need to heat to get off or maybe use acetone. I'm not sure. I don't know what kind of glue they used. But anyway, this is what we're going to work on today. And I hope everyone is having a good day. And I hope you're ready to see what comes of this. Might work, might not work, but we're going to do it together and see. So, like I said, I've already gotten this piece off. I want to get this piece off. I don't know, this reminds me of Christmas. Even though there is, I guess that's supposed to be orange, but it looks more red to me, red and green. So we're going to try to get this off, and if this is not going to come clean, this is the bag of pens that I used for this leaf. And let me tell you, the glue seems to be holding pretty good. It's on there. So, I mean, I've not actually worn the pen yet, but I've tugged on it and, you know, tried to wiggle it. It's not moving. So far, so good. So, anyway, if I can't get this one cleaned up in a timely fashion, we'll go ahead and we'll use one of these because I think the size will be okay for this. I think this is plastic, so it's not going to be a lot of weight. Let me go ahead and continue working with the heat to try to remove this, and then I'll come back and we'll go from there. So see you in a bit. Okay, we're not there yet, but I just wanted to share with you. It's coming off in pieces. I'm very impatient, you know. I heat it up a little bit and then I pull at it, but as you can see, it is coming off, and little sections was sticking with the glue, and I think it's just hot glue that they used. So as I heat it, I'm able to peel off. So I've already gotten one section off. So I'm going to continue on getting this backing off, and I'll come back when we're ready to put the pen on. See you then. Alrighty. Okay, I got this off, and it did leave quite a bit of glue and residue on the back. So with heating it up and scraping it, I used my nail mostly, but I did kind of take a pen and kind of get under there and got some of it up. And then I was able to take a pair of pliers and kind of roll and pull some of it off. But most of it was just taking my nail and just pushing it. Once it got a little warm, it came off pretty good. So, and then I washed it. And that helped get most of the rest of it off. Or it helped get, there's a little bit I need to get down in there, but I'm not going to worry about that now. So it's pretty smooth, and I took a tiny little piece of sandpaper. It was 600 grit. I don't know if that's right or not, but I did scuff the back up a little bit. And I decided to go with this smaller pen because, to me, that's too big. I didn't even bother to clean that off. So we're going to put this one on. I'm going to go outside to do this. I'm going to put a little bit of glue, run some glue along the back of the pen and a little bit here. And it says to wait 2 minutes before putting the two pieces together. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and put the glue on, and in 2 minutes I'll be back and we'll stick this on here and we'll have a cute little Halloween pin. Yeah, we'll have a cute little Halloween pin. So let me go ahead and do that outside. So I will be right back. Alrighty. It's been about 2 minutes or close to it. Can you tell? And whatever oozes out will be cleaned up afterwards. And I've got it on here. And you notice I'm wearing gloves. Yes, I don't want my body to absorb any of these products. And as I was cleaning the other glue off, I thought in the beginning it may have been, what did I say? Hot glue. But the more I went at it, well, not that I've dealt with a lot of hot glue either, but I think it was more an adhesive like this. I don't know if it was this, but okay. We have got, now see how it bubbled up underneath there? I'm going to get a toothpick and we'll kind of spread that out. On top. Like I said, this dries clear, and it is quite forgiving. I know I had some oozing on that other pen that I did, but you know, after it dried, I mean, I could get in there and clean up a little bit what was on top, and it's okay. If there's a little extra, like I said, it dries clear. It's the back of the pen, really? No one is going to see that. I'm going to get that in there just a little bit. And it's about centered of the pen. And it's so cute, little black cat. Luna. And I don't know, I guess this is okay, but I think sometimes less is more. So, nice little Halloween pin, and we'll leave that just not even, let me just get it kind of, yeah, I want there. We'll leave that alone for 24 hours, then I'll test it. And Barbara, I'm liking this. And speaking of Barbara, this video will be out on Sunday, the 23rd, and it is Barbara's birthday. So happy birthday, Barbara, and thank you again for all the good tips that you give on your channel. And that, for everyone that does not know, is Jewelry Pirate. So go say hi to Barbara and wish her a happy birthday. That's going to do it. It's going to be a quick video, but sometimes they're the best. So happy Halloween, everyone. Happy birthday again, Barbara. And happy day to everyone. Enjoy life. So until the next video, you all take care. See you then. Bye-bye.